Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious iced tea at home using simple tea bags. First, select your favorite tea bags. Quality makes a big difference. You'll want to steep 1 tea bag for every 8 ounces of hot water. Let them steep for about 5 minutes to ensure a robust flavor. This initial step is crucial for a great tasting beverage. Once your tea has steeped, remove the tea bags and let the liquid cool down to room temperature. This prevents cloudiness when you add ice. If you like your tea sweet, now is the perfect time to add your sugar or honey. Stir it in while the tea is still warm to ensure it dissolves completely. For best results, try a simple syrup. Now for the refreshing part. Fill your pitcher or individual glasses with plenty of ice. Pour the cooled tea over the ice and watch it transform into a perfectly chilled drink. For an extra touch, garnish with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Any leftover iced tea can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for your next sip. Don't be afraid to get creative with your iced tea. You can experiment with various tea types, from classic black tea to refreshing green tea or even fruity herbal blends. Adding fresh fruit slices, like peaches or berries, can infuse wonderful new flavors. Remember, you can always adjust the steeping time to make your tea stronger or milder, perfectly suiting your taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.